We started putting on the floorboards. They're hemlock. We planed them down to thickness to the 1¼ inch thick is what was here, and these are probably fir. So we're going with hemlock. Mainly I have access to it. It's just good wood, sturdy. So I debated on whether we screwed it down or nails, and I decided to go with these 3½ inch twisted galvanized nails. They're going to go in there a long ways, as you can see, but they really ought to hold it down. And they're a little less cost, and I think the head of them sticking up will look a little bit more authentic rather than screw heads. So that was another factor in it. But you can see where we built this out. We have a very wide side here. We kept that in 1x6s, and so we have a lot to fasten into. We put 4x4s as cross pieces. Now the other thing I'm doing here is, instead of running the boards out the way they used to be, I'm switching it just to give it a little bit more design. And if I was just to bring them out, it's just going to look like a patch job. So at least this way it might look like a little bit more intentional. It was done here for design purposes, and it should look good.